Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Jim James Games. We're going to open up Wilds of Eldraine Collector Boosters. We got two more boxes. This is the last two of a 24 Master Case box. Thank you all for sticking around, watching the videos, everything. I do greatly appreciate it. This is going to be the end of this series. Hopefully we end with a banger. That'd be pretty sweet. You know, give me that Ristic Study. Really, the confetti foil. That would be pretty sick. Although we have pulled quite a few Ristic Studies, just not getting the confetti one. So we got Alien, Kindly Lord, Full Monty. We got Repercussion. We got Charmed Apple. There's three. Nope, it tried. It's definitely possible. We have done it. Pulled 5 mythics in one pack. Out of, what, 288 packs opening total in this series? One of them had 5 mythics. So, pretty low percentage chance. And I don't even know what the percentage chance of pulling all 5 of them are. Haven't really looked, because we got Sneak Attack. Pretty sweet mythic. Definitely been trying to speed these videos up. This is the, 12th video of doing this. See if we can get Song of whatever that place is. Alright, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. But so far not hitting too many mythics here. We got 4. I guess we still got quite a few more packs in this box to go, so I mean 4 is not bad. Nature's Will foil. Oppression. We have Virtue of Loyalty, mythic non-foil. Guess this will happen whenever you open up a pack and it has 3 mythics in it right off the start. Blind Obedience foil. Smothering Tithe. There we go. Non-foil Smothering Tithe. We do like to see some Smothering Tithe pulled. Trash can is definitely getting full. Yeah, Blooming Tortoise for our mythic. Could this be the time we get back-to-back boxes of confetti? Scion of Peace, non-foil mythic. Charmed Apple, non-foil mythic, or foil mythic. Come on, we can do it. Get that confetti. Alright, we got the Grand Squall, foil mythic. Nothing else there. Let's go. Come on. We can do it. Almost there. Cloaked Reveler, foil rare. We got Cunning Conqueror mythic. Let's get we got 13 packs. Last pack for this box. See if we can get something. See, we got plenty of mythics already, so probably no. We got a Virtue of Persistence. Foil mythic, or not foil mythic. Keep jumping ahead a little bit there. Alright. Last box. Let's go. 12 packs remaining. Hopefully we get one more. Just one more confetti foil. Unnatural Growth foil. The End foil. Not quite the end. We still got a little bit more to go. But it's getting there. Definitely getting there. We got the Antics Foil mythic. We got a Bitter Blossom for another mythic and a Scion of War. That's 3. Oh, no. Stopped right there. Oh, well, we got 4. Charmed Apple. 4 mythic pack. Closest I've seen it get to the 5 mythics that we got that one time. Restless Cottage. Then we got Cunning Conqueror for a mythic. Forgot to pull him. All right. Food. It's about the time to get some food too. We got the Hornlock Whale. Look at those teeth. That'd be terrible to see a whale like that. The whales are only supposed to eat like, you know, plankton and small things, like microscopic things, like not chew you up literally. That'd be a scary thing out in the ocean. All right, we got the elemental. Not even gonna try. Only costs 1. It might be pretty decent. Menace. I might be trying some. People try to break that one a little bit. Maybe some mono red decks, some burn, especially in standard. Don't know if you'll hold the test of Pioneer. Definitely not modern. Lightline of Abundance, Polluted Bonds, Viper. All right, we're about halfway through. We got about 7 more packs. Still looking for that last confetti. And we've already got 8, but let's go for 9. Handful of things I would like to get. Another confetti, another cauldron, another beseech. I'll take another cavalry as well. No big deal. We got the Dread Knight, Intruder Alarm. That's a lot of mythics to be asking for. I don't think we're going to get too many more. We got 4 packs remaining. Get kind of a drought of mythics there after that 4 mythic pack. Oversoul Cemetery, Aggravated Assault, the Dragon, Throne of Eldraine foil, just a rare. No mythics in that pack either. 3 to go. Getting down to the wire here. Some good yummy food. We got Oppression foil, Phyrexian Unlife. We got the Otter, Ardenvale. We got the Fairy, Virtue, and no mythics. 2 packs remaining. Let's go. Come on, we can do this. Food. We got the Bodyguard enchantment, Virtuous Strength mythic. All right, this is what it's down to. Our last pack. Go ahead and see if we can get that last confetti foil. Last pack magic. Nope, unfortunately not, but we got a land tax. Not gonna hate on that. All right, let's count them up one last time. All right, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 in our last opening. Not too bad, but I do want to thank you all for watching and sticking around for this series. 12 video series. Open up 24 collector boosters of Wilds of Eldraine. It was a great journey. Opened up, got 8 total confetti foils. If you want to see which ones we pulled, please watch all the videos before. Pretty sweet pulls. I really do enjoy this set. If you have not opened this set or have, please let me know what you thought of the set, and hopefully you all have a great day. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button, or consider hitting the subscribe button. If you enjoyed watching the videos, hit the like button, and let everybody know and help support the channel. See y'all next time. Later.